To fix the problem where one of the earbuds is not working on Realme Buds T310, first we need to grab the case with our earbuds and remove them both. Now grab both of them and find the panel, the interactive panel, which is located right here on both of them. Now you will need to click and hold your finger on that panel for around 10 seconds. I'm gonna be holding them for 15 seconds, and then after we let go, our earbuds will return to factory settings and potentially fix all of the problems with the one of them not working. So now they are ready. We can put them back in the case. I'm just going to close it and reopen it. Then when we pair a new device, we need to reconnect them with our smartphone, and they are connected, and both of them should work fine.